we have found our next activity. We are going to Tarzan's Treehouse, which we're so excited about. Sarah Beth and I, as you might remember, did the Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse in Disney World on Dapper Day when I was dressed like Jane, but now I am still Jane, but I am here at Tarzan's Treehouse. We can't wait! Bonus, you get a lovely view of Disneyland up here. Oh, you can't really see it because of the trees. Haha. But you get a lovely view of Marley too. Sarah Beth. There we go. Okay, so that was a lovely view.
Can you see him, Janie?
The boar! Oh, he's so scary.
So scary.
Oh, and there's baby. Baby Tarzan. Okay, this is, I really liked the Swiss Family Treehouse, but this one is already like,
theming? I don't get it.
I don't know. This one is
already significantly
above
better.
and beyond. Yeah.
Like already.
Oh!
Oh my god.
This is, like literally this is a pirate ship. A pirate ship. A pirate ship. I don't know what it is either. There's people on it. Maybe you can just go on it like the Mark Twain. Oh, there he is.
It's Janie.
Oh, yay. Oh, that is so fun. Oh, she's drawing him. We're leaving? Is it over? No, it's not. Oh, okay. Oh, it's her father's science lab. You see it? That is so cool. Ah. Dooba-doop da da dooba-doo da ba da da dee da da. Dee ba wee doo. Wow! Y'all, like from my intro, remember? From earlier?
What?
Science. Alright, Sarah Beth. Do it. Let's make it wiggle around.
Okay, I haven't seen those. I like them. What is it?
It's just shaking it.
I get it.
Alright, there's fun to be had down here. Safe on the ground once again. Oh, the sun's in my face. Oh! It's Mrs. Potts! That's so cute! Oh, I love this part of the movie. Oh, that was good. You did like a Tarzan yell. Oh!
Tarzan.
Something is talking to you. Do it again. That's pretty good.
A little high pitch.
My voice cracks when I do it. Now I'm like significantly bummed that we didn't come here for Dapper Day.
I know.
Like literally, how good would that have been? Why don't I live in Disneyland? Why do I like live in Orlando?
When is this Dapper Day? We'll just stay.
I know, seriously, when's the Disneyland Dapper Day? I will come back, I will wear the exact same outfit, we will do it all again.
Epcot went in the spring is in April, so it's probably soon.
Oh.
We'll just stay.
We'll just stay until April. That's not that bad.
Shouldn't be that.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I can work at a...
We all have jobs. We all worked here before.
Yeah, I could be a photo pass here. There's a frog in here. A pretend one. I can't get the camera to look at it. It's okay. You're just gonna have to believe me that there's a frog. Oh, they're singing now. Oh, we missed the good stuff. This is what I love about Disneyland. Like literally we were just standing there and just in between two gift shops, they had like this whole band come out. Like just in this small little corner. Yes, amazing though. And they were really good too. I loved them. That was great. Yeah, so we're in New Orleans Square now. And Oh, this is the entrance for Club 33. That's kind of cool. But I'm missing Christina right now because I know that she would really love this. I'm also missing Mackenzie because they're my Louisiana, New Orleans friends. So no, I know that they would really appreciate being here. Sarah Beth straight up almost walked into Dr. Facilier. Like she like literally almost bumped in.
I literally almost walked in. Hi again.
Oh, there's the entrance for Club 33 again.
Do you remember?
You could say hi. Be like, hey, remember the car trip?
I remember us from like 5 hours ago.
Splash Mountain's down for refurb. Sad. We're in this little candy store, and it's so cute. Catherine's buying some chocolate, I think, and using her discount.
Chocolate candy. We have sour raspberry and sour red cherry and sour blackberry. What's your name? Birthday cake, cotton candy, sour grape, sour raspberry, and sour red.
Right here. Like, I like the fast pass system that we have at Disney World. But look how cute this is. Like, I'm not saying it's better than the Fast Pass Plus where you can do it online, where you can do magic bands, but it's cuter. Alright, we stopped for churros, but although churros are very exciting, this is not the most exciting thing at this location. Look at this dog.
Just chilling.
Such a crack up. Quack up.
Quack up.
Like he's like the guardian of the churros. Real quick, because I really want to eat this. They have s'mores churros here at Disneyland in Frontierland, and they also have rose gold churros at the castle. And what other ones do we know about? Cookies and cream somewhere. We haven't found those yet. Fruity Pebbles. And we're gonna eat every single one. It's gonna be amazing.
Are we ready?
We're ready. Cheers. We can eat them now. What are we looking at here?
I don't understand. I don't know. Sit on the thing.
Comment below what emotion this evokes in you. It'll be our little secret. This is a golden hour right here. This is golden hour. Golden churros, golden hour. Oh, this is a great spot.